Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best canister filter for aquarium that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fluval 307 Perfomance Canister Filter. The design of this external fish tank filter has a raised lip that keeps operation smoother. The locking clamps allow you to attach and release the filter when maintenance and cleaning are required. This system is now the 7th version of this filter from Fluval, and it has proven to be a popular choice. It combines power and reliability, but it retains its quiet operation volume and energy efficiency. Moving on at number 4, we have the SunSun HW303B370 GPH Pro Canister Filter Kit. The Sunson Pro Canister Filter Kit comes with everything you will need to get your filtration system up and running. This includes 1 set of bioballs, 1 pound of ceramic rings, 1 pound of filter carbon, 3 white filter pads, 1 blue coarse pad, 3 media baskets, and hoses. This particular filter is also suitable for aquariums anywhere up to 100 gallons and is capable of processing 370 gallons an hour. Happy customers have said that the SunSun filter is not only durable, long-lasting, and effective, but also extremely quiet. Additionally, when compared with other filters, it has proven to be a preferred choice. However, some have said that it can be quite messy to clean. But if you don't mind a bit of mess once in a while, then that shouldn't be an issue. At number 3, we have the Eheim Classic External Canister Filter for Aquarium. Designed to fit with filter sponges, loose media or both, you have a great deal of flexibility with the filtration setup. It comes with the filter media, valves, and a host of accessories that are designed to simplify the filtration experience. As for the design of the product, it has made to be simple, while still offering a high level of efficiency. Flow rate has been calculated to provide maximum accuracy. At number 2, we have the AQUAN QuietFlow Canister Filter 55 to 100 gallons. AQUAN's QuietFlow aquarium filter is available in 3 sizes, ranging from being compatible with a 55-gallon tank, all the way up to a 150-gallon tank. It is equipped with multi-stage filtration, which includes biological, chemical, and mechanical stages in order to help keep your tank clean and toxin-free. It is suitable for both fresh and seawater aquariums, with the quick disconnect valve, pump locking heads, and hoses included in the package. It has been much loved by the vast majority of customers, with some explaining how it was relatively simple to set up, with clear and helpful instructions. Not only that, but many customers have actually claimed that this canister filter has convinced them to change from the hang-on back design that they were used to. Namely, this was thanks to the extremely quiet design that the name suggests, with multiple customers describing it as whisper quiet. And finally, at number 1, we have the Polar Aurora 3-stage external aquarium filter. The Polar Aurora is a sleek, modern, design aquarium filter, made to complement any tank it ends up with. This filter is also available in 4 different GPH setups, ranging from 265 GPH to 525 GPH. The design of this filter includes 3 media trays that can handle various filtration media, as well as an adjustable spray bar which is ideal for helping you to adjust the output flow. It has been created to minimize leaks, spills, and clogging, as well as being easy to clear out. Hundreds of customers have purchased this filter, with many saying it has proven to be a worthwhile investment thanks to its durability and effectiveness. One customer goes into detail about their purchase, saying they have had it running in an indoor pond for over a year without a single hitch. Additionally, it has only needed cleaning once every couple of months. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon